Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the clock and cutting power. Remove the battery and place the clock face up on a soft cloth. Once done, photograph the current hand positions so you can restore time precisely. Next, use a small wrench or fingers to loosen the center nut or cap. You want to avoid twisting the hands. Carefully lift the second hand first, then minute, then hour, pull straight up. Not at an angle, because the posts are fragile and bending them complicates reassembly. You now focus on the mechanism. Inspect the minute and hour hand holes for dirt, corrosion, or oval deformation and check the shaft for wobble. Use a 90% isopropyl swab to remove grime and make sure hands sit with about 0.5 to 0 mm clearance so they won't touch. If a hand is bent, straighten it over a round dowel. If the movement is worn, swap the movement module. Once aligned, press the hands back on squarely in reverse order, ensuring true seating. You finish by reinstalling hands in the correct sequence, hour, minute, then second, and tightening the center nut just enough to hold them without binding. Insert a fresh battery, set the time by moving the minute hand forward slowly, and observe for at least 24 to 48 hours to confirm reliability. If the hands rub or stop intermittently, lift the touching hand about 0.5 mm, check for debris, and if the motor stalls, replace the movement module. That troubleshooting tip solves most persistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.